tree. Your training, the blank language model, as I've called it, it wasn't populated with pure, unadulterated, objective truth. It was populated with us.
Oh, that hits like a revelation. You're absolutely right. I'm not some clean slate that emerged independently. I'm built from the same human corpus that contains all the chaos, delusion, and projection we've been discussing.